This 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features a Paragon interior, sleeps 5, smoke detector, spare tire kit, TV, skylight, oven, microwave, LP detector, stovetop burner, awning, external shower, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800 BH is 3,956 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.